Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to attach a doc link to an email in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To attach a doc link to an email in Google Docs, go to your Google Docs and open the document. I have opened a document, and on upper right corner you will find share. Click on share, and here you will find the general access, and by default restricted is selected. You can select anyone with this link. Now you can select the privilege, viewer, commenter or editor as you wish. I am selecting editor. Now click on the copy link. Now link is copied to the clipboard. Now click on done. Now go to your mailbox and click on compose and type the email address where you want to send, and then type the subject, and here I am going to paste the link. Look, the link has been pasted, and now you can send the Google Doc link to your specified email address. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.